So, good day everyone. I am Justin Antonio.
I'm Emerson Beltran.
So, today we will explain the steering system of an automobile. So, the steering system allows the driver to control the direction of the vehicle during turning the front wheels left or right. It is the one of the most important system because it helps maintain a vehicle's control and driving safety.
And now we have the steering wheel. It is the part held by the driver to control the direction of the vehicle. When the steering wheel is turned, the movement passes through the steering column going to the rack and pinion gear. The rack and pinion mechanism converts the rotational movement of the steering wheel into a side-to-side movement. And we have the tie rods. Tie rods connect the steering gear to the front wheel, allowing the wheel to move left or right.
So, some vehicles also use a power steering pump or electric motor to reduce steering effort and make uh, steering easier. So, the steering system is important because it is provide stability, accurate turning, and better control of the vehicle while driving. So, this is the uh, steering system.
So that's how important the steering system in our automobile, because here we can control the movement of the wheel from side or right when we going to turn it. So that's all for our explanation to steering system. Thank you.